So this is just a real quick Easter rock. I first created the image on my iPad, and then I transferred it using Sorel transfer paper to my rock. The link to how to transfer using either an iPad or an Android device or your computer, all of those links are listed below in the description. A link to the transfer paper I use is also listed below in the description, along with all of my supplies. The traceable file will be available over on my private Facebook group page, which is Rockin' It with April May. The link to that is also below in the description. So I just started out painting in the design with random colors that I had chosen. Before I outlined it in black. I would recommend outlining it in black first so that you don't lose the image design. Sometimes as you paint along, you either smudge it or it gets lost within the paint. So if I were going to do this again, I kind of got ahead of myself. I would outline it in black first, and then it's like just coloring in a coloring book. You just choose the colors you want and paint in the design. So I'm not going to talk through this whole video. I'm just going to let it play so you can just enjoy watching the process without having to listen to me talk all the way through it. And then I will jump back on when we're getting close to the end. So I hope you enjoy watching the video. One thing I forgot to mention in my intro was that the rock I'm using was created using a mold from the Happy Dotting Company over on Etsy. So I wanted to make sure that I let y'all know that. I love her molds, and she has a new one where it's got multiple size rocks in it, and it's now quickly become my favorite. So if you do any of your own, like having to make your own rocks like I do, I would highly recommend getting this mold because it's really this is the smallest rock form on there, and the other ones get even bigger, and I just love it. So here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.